You gonna put them in your fire truck? Where's the other one? Go put them in your fire truck. You want to put them in the fire truck? Here, I'll take that. Okay, and then you go put your things in the fire. Go put those in the fire truck. Yeah, that's where they go. Put them in the back. No, don't push it. Here, put them in the back. You want to put them in the back? See, there's your other one. Look. Look.